Hi guys, welcome to Hello-Haus. We wish you stay healthy and also safe wherever you are with your loved one. Today, to make the vanity desk, we'll show you how we combine the mirror, lights and also the table, plus the two shelves become one nice beautiful makeup vanity desk. We hope this video could help you guys to come up with your idea to share with you. So let's see what is the outcome. Here you go, you can see our vanity desk where we place not direct to the glass wall because we need to attach these two shelves. So now you can see the two shelves is there, nicely attached to the makeup desk, and it has been screwed. And after that we take the mirror and we place the mirror on the vanity desk. Steve beginning to take the measurement accordingly from each corner from the mirror that we want to fix it. Now we drilling. We will drill in every place that we have marking down. So at the moment we have two different marks. After drill, we put it the screw and we screw them all at the shelf before we place the mirror. Now the mirror is there. Steve is marking down the spot for the light. He getting the light case and take the measurement and double confirm where is the right place. We can put it and fix it our light accordingly. So that will be on the left, right and on the top of the mirror. It looks very easy from what we did today from the Ikea hack. He marking down and make sure that the mirror is out, and we drill again at the place where he marked down for the light case. He screw and attach the light case at the shelf that we place it together with the vanity desk. We have the left, top and on the right. It is simple and easy that we get from our Ikea tools, which you can combine and make it what you dream of. So it has been done, the screw for the light case. Now he put it the light case accordingly. Hi guys, okay, now we will show you the result of the vanity desk that we do from the mirror, lights and as well the shelf. So as you can see that the one behind of me of what we do today. So if you have any questions or you would like to share something, you can just leave a comment down below and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching Hello-Haus and we'll see you again. Bye!